What's up guys, it's me G-Magic. I bought a very fast power charging power bank. It's for the Qualcomm 3. Can you okay? Let me just open it. I think I don't need this with knife for this one. How to take out? Okay. Okay, there's some tape. I literally need it. Yes, you heard me right. Come on, come on. Okay, here we go. Come on. Let me make it a little big. Yeah. Taller. Okay, even we got a case. I'm super happy. I'm literally super happy with this one thing. Like we get some kind of case. We got a micro stupid USB. I don't understand why we need a micro USB. Okay. But let me see, is there any juice? Okay, there's some juice left. Let me just connect with my phone. My Galaxy Note. Okay, fast charging. Can you see the fast charging logo? Can you see? So yeah, I'm quite happy with this thing. Okay, 9.2 volt output, and it's around like 10 watt outputting right now, 85%. Plus I can use 3 more. Overall, I'm quite impressed. That's all I wanna say. I am literally quite impressed with this thing. Okay, what about my iPad? Yes, you heard me right. My iPad. Come here, my stupid iPad. Okay, it's charging. Awesome. Even it's charging my iPad. Can you see? Yeah. I mean, overall, I'm quite impressed. I cannot find anything negative about this thing. Overall, I think so it's a quite good thing. Let me show you the case. Here is the, I think this is the case, right, for the storage. You store like this. I think so. Overall, I'm quite impressed. I think this is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. So yeah, it was me G-Magic. Subscribe and bye. Yeah, I'm literally quite happy with it. Subscribe and bye.